16 games remain on the conference slate, including tonight's matchup with Evansville as the Purple Aces come into Terre Haute searching for its first win of the season in the Missouri Valley Conference portion of the schedule as well. So somebody tonight is going to walk out of the Holman Center victorious and be sitting out 1-2 in the Missouri Valley Conference. For the Purple Aces, Tierra Webb pokes it loose on the near right wing. Now up top to Ashley O'Neal. O'Neal lays it in for two. What a way to start. Right out of the timeout for Indiana State. Forces a turnover, makes it 10-6. Now near right wing, O'Neal. She'll chuck up a three, and that finally falls. 23-13, Indiana State back within 10. Back to Delgado. Left wing, Delgado into the paint to Whitland, and then Whitland dishes it off the Bivens for two. 32-31, Evansville by one. Backdoor cut. No, it was blocked by Webb. And Webb, he'll stay with Evansville, but Webb with a beautiful block. Rebound, still loose, being fought for. Bivens gets it, and Bivens lays it up for two. Whitland, right corner, skip past the Taya, three on the way. Taya buried it, and Indiana State leads it by one. Ashley Taya, the senior, welcome back, number one. Biggie in the right corner to Whitland. Now it's Delgado up high. Taya left wing, into the paint to Whitland. Back out to Delgado, three on the way. Swoosh! 48-43, 5:30 left in the fourth quarter. Up top to Taya, left side of lane drive. Taya converts! It went around the world there, all around that rim, and then fell through the hole for two. 56-48. The streak will end at 7. Sycamore win to start 2018. And Indiana State will head to Iowa with a win.
Just for one night, it's just all about us in here and nothing else. Okay, and you guys did that. And we were the stronger group the second half.
Yes.
All right, and we hung in there in the first half when it wasn't pretty and you guys are fighting for this stuff, but we were the stronger group. We did the right things down the stretch and we were the tougher team. Great job, Ty and Slim, you guys are like Hogan. Tremendous job.
Got the chills.
Tremendous possession, tremendous timing of baskets, great ball movement, came from different people, different angles. Great job tonight. Obviously super proud of you guys. That's the first of more to come.
Yeah! I'm looking at me.